Oh, that's the wrong sport. It's softball. You gotta throw it like that. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day, and we got some new material out here now. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe and tell all your buddies, and I'll link up the original video to where we come in and done all the rough grade on this ball field. It's an old schoolhouse that they don't use anymore. A travel softball team has taken this over and wanted a practice facility and wanted to get the field in shape. Once I got the field kind of rough graded, they already had some, this is and of course they didn't want to go all out with calcitic clay or anything like that. It's basically just a practice field, but that's kind of what I'm working with. Now, I don't own a machine that could truck all that down here, so the guys that are in charge of the ball team, one of them has a Bobcat, and he brought it down here, and he's kind of rough graded it and just kind of got it out here for me. Now, I'm going to take the Ventrac and the landscape rake. I've got some pretty heavy material here. I need to move around a little bit and kind of get it back on grade, and then after I do that, I'm going to take another machine that's made for infield work, and I'm gonna do the fine grading on it. So here we go. Now this machine has a pretty unique feature. It's kind of got like a little miniature box blade up under the belly. It has spring tension that pushes down on the box blade, so it kind of automatically cuts out the high spots and fills in the low spots. So I found that the quickest and easiest way to do that is you go over a field multiple times in different directions, about 3 or 4 times in 3 or 4 different directions. And what it does, it cuts out those high spots or little humps and bumps, and it fills in the low spots. And then the drag mat behind it leaves just a silky smooth finish, slick as a baby's bottom. All right, there you go. I don't think it's Yankee Stadium by no means, but man, what a difference this makes in a ball field. And these 13, 14-year-old girls can come out here and safely play and not get any crazy hops and all. I couldn't stand playing infield and get that crazy hop come up and hit you in the chest, man. All right, so hey, thank you for watching. I know you've seen that other machine. That's a new machine. We've had it for about a year. I'm just now getting around to using it because the ball field work's kind of picking up. Man, I'm going to take you over to a really nice high school field, high end. We manage the Bermuda turf on the field. It's a rye overseed, and we spray out the rye and bring your Bermuda to life. And man, I'm going to tell you, that field looks some kind of good right now. So I'm gonna take you over there and show you some fine grade infill work with this other machine and show you how it operates. So hey, thank you for watching. Stick around, check out the before and after flyover at the end, and I think these guys are going to be pretty pleased with this. And I'm going to actually get these folks on a maintenance schedule where we'll come by every so often, go over the field, drag it, slick it down, you know, and just kind of go with that, and almost do it kind of like we do our lawn care, where we go and visit properties so many times during the year. That's kind of the way I'm getting this whole ball field thing set up on like maintenance contracts once we get a renovation done. And that way we have ongoing money coming in through the year that we can use these machines over and over and over.